Unlock the next level of iPod productivity by seamlessly integrating AIDR with the advanced Deepseek models. Our journey begins with understanding how to connect AIDR, your AI coding companion. With Deepseek's powerful foundational models, this integration allows us to tap into Deepseek's specialized knowledge and advanced reasoning capabilities, supercharging AIDR's existing functionalities. Think of it as giving AIDR an even more intelligent co-pilot. We'll explore how this partnership dramatically enhances tasks like generating more sophisticated code, performing deeper data analysis, and automating complex workflows with greater accuracy and efficiency. The first step is ensuring your AIDR environment is set up to communicate with Deepseek. This involves a straightforward configuration process that opens the door to a world of enriched AI assistance. Will guide you through selecting the appropriate Deepseek model for your specific needs, whether it's for intricate programming challenges or insightful data interpretation. Once connected, you'll witness AIDR's ability to tackle more ambitious projects. Imagine getting detailed explanations for intricate code bugs, generating predictive analytics based on complex datasets, or even automating tasks that previously required extensive manual intervention. By combining AIDR's user-friendly interface with Deepseek's cutting-edge AI, you're not just using tools, you're unlocking a new era of AI-driven innovation and automation. Subscribe and discover the full potential. AIDR Deepseek AI tools.